All right, we've got yet another laptop to unbox. Let's take a look at this one. This is from Lenovo, and this is a budget-minded ThinkPad. Now, typically the ThinkPads, let me get the box out of here, the ThinkPads are usually expensive business laptops, but this one is a lower priced device that's on loan from Lenovo, by the way. This is the ThinkPad L13. And these start at much more reasonable prices. You can get these for probably in the $500 or $600 range, I believe. And let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. I did check on this one before I started the video today. This one is not upgradable on the RAM. I don't believe that Dell we looked at is upgradable on RAM either. But you can upgrade the storage if you want to take it apart. And this is it. Now, this is a Yoga. And of course, with Lenovo, Yoga means it's a 2-in-1. It feels nice. It's all metal. I mean, for a budget-minded laptop, it feels nice and sturdy here. So we've got, let's take a look at the ports, and then we'll look at the keyboard and stuff. Power switch, SD card slot, USB 3, full-size HDMI out, Kensington lock. On the other side, we've got, I believe this is USB-C. Not Thunderbolt, but you got two USB-C ports here. These are full service ports, so I believe it will do display and data. We'll make sure of that when we do the full review. Next to it is one of these custom ports that Lenovo has for network, so that's what that one is. And then you've got another USB 3 port here and a headphone jack. And then because this is a ThinkPad, you have two options for pointing your mouse maneuvers. You've got your trackpad here. This is a click pad. And then you have the little nub thing here as well. It's been on ThinkPads forever. And then you've got the ThinkPad keyboard, which are among the best in the business. You got a lot of travel on this. It feels nice and sturdy and rugged. So if you're looking for, a ThinkPad at a lower price, this is probably going to be the lowest priced option out there, especially on a 2-in-1. And by the way, it is a touch display too, because it is a 2-in-1. It can kind of go into tablet mode like so. So we'll have more on this very shortly on the main channel, this one, very soon. And this has got a 10th generation i5, and I think they've got i7s out there as well for it. So pretty cool looking, pretty sturdy feeling. Feels like a ThinkPad, but it's not expensive like some ThinkPads are. So that will be a fun one to check out later on here on the channel.